I've got the biggest challenge of going last, and I know all of you are very keen to pick up your bags and leave, so I'll keep this very, very, very short. Sujana Garu, thank you for coming. Ramesh, Navid, Vishnupriya, Sonia, Margadarshaks, and Sangamitras, good afternoon. Two words I want to say. One is thank you. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for being committed to go through the program. Because all of us have a day job, all of us have a day life. This commitment that you've shown to go through the program is your passion and you wanting to make that difference in the community to the lives of people. So thank you for that. Second, congratulations for being Margadarshaks and Sangamitras. You are the brand of Margadarshak and Sangamitra, whichever program you've signed up. Please always remember that, right? Every action that you take, every word that you say as a Margadarshak or Sangamitra is the brand that you are representing. That is what you have to remember. That is what Sujana Garu mentioned, right? One program that earlier failed for a reason. That is what you have to remember is you are the brand. And what did Spider-Man say? With great power comes great
responsibility.
That is it. That is what you will have to remember, right? So congratulations once again. Thank you for signing up. Of course, there is an entire ecosystem of support around you. I'm hoping you're feeling far more confident than when you started the program. I remember some questions around what if somebody beats us up type of questions came, right? So I'm hoping all that is solved. But like I said, you're not on your own. There is a huge ecosystem of support here that's kind of rallying behind you. So please be the beacon of that light, shine, the responsibility as you go into the community and into the organizations. We are also going to do a Margadarshak and Sangamitra refreshers of people who are existing Margadarshak and Sangamitras in Jan. So the numbers is only going to increase because Ramesh mentioned that, right? One of the reasons why we are seeing the workforce increasing in Hyderabad, new organizations coming in, one key element is also safety and security. Right, so indirectly it contributes to a lot, directly linking in fact to the economy of the state and the country. So think about the power of what you are doing. So again, with great power comes great responsibility. Please remember that. And I'm wishing you all the very best. Collectively, the significant impact that we create to the community is unimaginable. So thank you for signing up and all the very best.
Congratulations once again. You are certified Margadarshaks and Sangamitras. Well done. And we look forward to continuing to interact with you. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.